There's Lucid on highs. This Lucid looking very solid. Between 13 cents and 85 cents. There's a scale in on this Lucid. Definitely a little interested in this Lucid here. Think it could run. Gonna put some bids out. Got an average price of 3 cents here in this Lucid. Got a couple more there in the 80s. Okay, and I want to set this Lucid's coming in hard. Really want it to be jumping up sooner here above the hole. Got an average of 96 cents here. Really like to see it come back above very quickly here. It might be time to shed some size. It's really struggling in the 80s to get back above 55. Well, let's see what it does here. NVIDIA. Can we get back above? Gonna take a little bit off just because I don't like how it's not popping back up. Some offers out in the 20s. Okay. It's looking a little bit better now. Next offer is out at high a day. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this high a day print here and then catch a runner. See if I can get these 49s. I did not get them. There we go. Got the 49s and off we go on Lucid. We are taking off. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this stop down here. Let's see, actually before I do that, we have resistance up at 75, but I'm gonna use my exit using the footprint and a stop as well. So gonna go ahead and stop out at 88 cents on the remainder of this down below the hole. I'm gonna let this thing run if we can and move on and let the footprint take me out. It is, I think it has a chance to go to 56, but Lucid is quite whippy, so but I'll leave a quarter of my position on. Okay, so NVIDIA is breaking pre-market lows. Oh, I'm about to get stopped out of Lucid here. I am out of Lucid. Stopped out right there. Big dropout. And that's the thing with Lucid, so it's tough like that. Gonna set a marker there. I'll have to review if it's worth giving back all that profit, but the thing can run as well. Moderna never popped. Lucid, nice big pop there. Just had to do a washout of everyone first. This Lucid is being bought. Neo on highs. Apple on highs. RBLX on a pullback. I think this Lucid might be worth trying again. Trying to figure out where to look at it. I think between 30 cents and 70 cents with a stop below 55. 30 cents and 70 cents. And a bit in the 60s. Good in a bit of the 50s. In the 40s. And in the 30s. Might not get any. This thing's very strong. Roblox, where is this? These levels are between 93. Oh, I think I'm gonna get filled. Yeah, I got filled on some Lucid here. Very, very conservative on the scaling in down here. I want to get my size on down lower. Let's see if we get it. Might not get it. Yeah, I just, we're on highs here, so I've just canceled the rest of my orders on Lucid, and actually, it's got a pretty big spike there. I'm going to take some more profit right there, and I'm going to let the rest run. And the rest is going to run on a stop based on the footprint. So I'm glad I got back in there. And my stop is going to be, see, I'm in at 60 cents. And my stop is going to be 60 cents. Let's see if this thing can run. I did not get a ton of size on down here. I was trying to get it more down here, but let's see, RBLX, I was looking to potentially buy this between these nodes here and this node here. It's 3190s down to 29 to 130s. No, it's 31. It's basically 32 down to 30. So 2-point range. I'm not sure I want to mess with that right now. Let's go back up. Let's look at PPSI, which appears to be halted to the downside after a big up move. Love to see this Lucid hit new high day. So let's see, Apple's on highs. I don't see a trade there. AMD is in no man's land. Neo never came back in there. Might get stopped out here. Yep, I got just stopped out on this Lucid here. 67 cents. It's quite a whippy one. Wouldn't want to be holding on to that.